Hello guys, Tiago Gomes here, the creator of Hellphior games, and welcome to another devlog. So today I'm gonna show you a few things that I've done so far. In the last weekend, um, I showed you a very short demo that you can download, but there, as you can see, there are a lot of bugs, and of one is like when you try to play in different computers, the AI have different uh, ways to react to some actions. So uh, now I already done some changes, so that's working fine already. And the problem at the time was that in our C# scripts we had everything on update. I'll show you. We had everything on update, and so we need to move all the lines to a fixed update. The fixed update help you just in that. So now when I'm working on the game and when I'm trying to mess around with the things, what I'm looking in Unity is what's gonna happen on when you play the game. So before I had the speed here, and when I downloaded the game, when I put all these files to a game, the AI was with a high speed that I didn't change. So it was something to fix, and I fixed already. So that's fine. And I added these simple lines just to make the AI go back after shooting. And so what this do is when the ball is past the middle of the field that is on 0, and the AI is like the position of the X position of AI is bigger than this, and this is the X position, the initial X position, is going back. So this line makes him go back. If the ball is not didn't pass the X position 0 and blah 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 blah, is gonna move. And this move function is the move function that we had before. So all of this, okay, that makes the AI do everything. And of course I had already this before, but when the ball is behind, we have a collider here that makes the ball go a little bit up, because the AI can't like jump like we do, and the ball like to pass the ball under him. So what I did is, when the ball is inside this box, it's gonna like going up, so the AI can go back and jump and hit the ball with the head. So for now I think the AI, and I'm gonna show you, is working better because of this. As you can see, oh, and we have sounds, and I will explain later, but as you can see, he's shooting and he's going back. You see? The first thing that happened was, like, the AI was going here and is going static here. So when after he's shooting, he was static here in the middle of the field. So it was too easy to shoot above him and score goals. The very so the news that I have, like the important news, is when we start the game here, and I did this for the demo. So this sound we already hear it on last devlogs, but I did like a very simple menu just with 2 buttons, and we had like a button to make sure that we can choose if we want to play against the AI or if you want to play 1v1. But I disabled this because there are too many errors, and I just want to do for now against the AI, okay? So we have these little buttons in here. You can choose the teams with the sound. This was done before. And when we go to the game, we have this audience sound. I haven't done the audience already. I'm kind of studying what I should do. How can I draw the people on the audience? I'm thinking about put some flags and mess around with the people on the audience, but I don't know yet. So we have this audience sound. We have like a water sound when the ball is hitting the water, and as you can hear it. And when we score a goal, we have a special sound now. Yeah. And when the AI scores a goal, there's another sound. Yeah, that's it. I think it's funny, of course, and the sound of the water is not clear, and looks like that, like the initial sound of the ball didn't sound like water. It sounds like, I don't know, it's very strange. But to finish, we have one more sound when the game is finished. So I have this whistle sound when we score. It's just one whistle. In the end, I basically messed around with the whistles, and we have 3 whistles, as you can see now. So yeah, and then change to the end game scene. So I think it's pretty nice. Yeah, and the audience sound keeps playing. I think it's fine here. So I think it's nice for now. Of course, and I decided to. It will be me. It will be me that I'm gonna. So I'm gonna draw every players and stuff. So next step, of course, is to finally try to make sure we have an audience here. Probably they are not gonna move, but at least I add some people and stuff. Of course, it's not gonna be this image. I'm gonna draw everything, and I decided to draw everything. So I'm gonna be me there. I'm gonna draw the players. I'm gonna try to change players, so in each team to have a different player, so a different face, and I'm probably gonna change to national teams to be easier to, you know, to use the national team names. It's easier than use the clubs names. Of course, I can ask people, but it's difficult. So I'm gonna change everything. So in the next week, that's what I want to do. At least audience, and I'm gonna try to make different players and more teams, so I can finally continue this this scene too, to make a tournament. So another game mode. But I think that's it. I don't have anything more to show you, I think. So that's it. Thank you for supporting, and I see you guys next Sunday. Bye bye.